In 1968, Apollo 8 astronauts captured Earthrise, the first colour photograph of our planet from space. It changed how we saw our world and marked the birth of the environmental movement. Soon after, millions took to the street for the first Earth Day.
A day set aside for a nationwide outpouring of mankind seeking its own survival.
By the 1970s, the evidence of climate change was increasingly compelling, and scientists warned that without urgent action, climate change would reshape our future. Today, those predictions are no longer distant. We are rapidly approaching climate tipping points, and coral reefs are at the forefront. But we still have hope. In recent years, we've realised that the ocean can heal itself. The Central Caribbean Marine Institute, or CCMI's Seamounts Exploration Programme, found healthy, productive coral reef systems in Cayman's waters, barely impacted by human activity and serving as a refuge for biodiversity in the region. These sanctuaries show us that, despite the impacts of climate change, when local pressures are managed and reduced, biodiversity has the capacity to adapt and acclimatise to changing conditions. We know fisheries can rebound where successful protection measures are in place. Now is the time to double down on local conservation efforts and raise greater awareness than ever before. Through science and public action, change is possible, but now it is urgent. Little Cayman is unique in many ways. Our reef systems are a hidden gem within the Caribbean. Our reefs are a biodiversity hotspot, demonstrating resilience and hope in the face of mounting pressure. Despite the resilience of our reefs here in Little Cayman, in the last 2 years we've seen the most severe coral bleaching and disease on our reefs since we began monitoring in 1998. Yet we know if we manage local stressors, Little Cayman's reefs can adapt. We are here to see how and to provide answers for the wider Caribbean. We may not see the results in our lifetime, but the outcome of the choices we make now will impact our children's lives and will echo through the lives of future generations. We've come a long way already, and hope remains. Nature's ability to adapt and evolve is well documented, if we can only give it the space it needs to adjust. But the ocean needs help, our help. What is CCMI doing? Learning. We're continuing to invest in research to understand how ecosystems can adapt and build climate resilience. Advocating. We're growing our engagement efforts to empower communities to share our research. In October 2025 alone, we'll reach over 1,000 local students through ocean outreach campaigns, and every year we connect with over 300,000 people across nearly 40 countries through our Reefs Go Live programme. Acting. We're upscaling our commitment to education at all levels, with a focus on local primary and corporate entities in the Cayman Islands, while simultaneously expanding climate-smart restoration efforts to preserve endangered biodiversity before it's too late. Every effort counts, and every voice matters. Now is the time to make a difference in this fight. Together, we can be part of a movement that safeguards our ocean.